I think hope everyone issues resolved in the morning session.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. And hope everyone requested for the new client, and were you able to log into your new clients now?
Sir, still we didn't receive that client mail, sir.
No. You can use the same old credentials.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes,
All the credentials we can access it.
Yes. You can access with the same old credentials.
okay, sir.
Everyone, please try once.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, same password, same everything, no, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Priyanka, can you please enable the screen sharing option to me?
Yeah, sir, done.
Done? Everyone verified your account details?
Yes, sir. It's working.
Guys, please don't create anything. The current client, whatever we have provided you now, is for evaluating for the hiring procedure. Okay. Please keep this clean and do only the assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall we go through the assignment? Or still anyone facing issues with your logins? Here, at least say something here. Do one thing.
Sir, no, sir, no, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir, we can go on.
Okay. We are going into the assignment. Okay. Please correct me if you don't know anything in this assignment document. We'll cut off those requirements. Okay. If you feel you don't know how to do that, and if you didn't follow in your previous sessions, please point those requirements. I will remove those requirements. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you go through the first two headings? This is in the end user applications. You need to do these two. I think if anyone didn't understand, you can ask me. If you understand, that is fine. Can someone read it loud?
Create the
Everybody hear
following
me?
roles.
Yes. In
Man-
end user applications, you need to create the following roles. One is manager.
Reporting to admin.
Yes. Employee who is reporting to manager. Hope everyone can do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You need to create 2 to 3 users by following the below instructions. Manager role with some random name, email, password, and other required information. Which means that in manager role, you need to create 2 to 3 users. Same for the employee. In employee role as well, you need to create 2 to 3 users.
This document
Okay,
will be
sir.
shared, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Hope you understand the roles and users.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
pick
sir.
list. Create the
Yes,
following pick list for dataset. Choose fields. Expense status.
New, approve, reject.
Reset. Okay, if you want order, I think no need of order. You can follow any order, or because we are not showing this as a drop down anywhere. Hope everyone knows how to create a pick list.
Yes.
I think you need to create a pick list with this name, and these are the values inside the pick list.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And this is the work in the end user application. And this is the development kit. In the development kit, you need to create two applications. One is expense application. We are clearly mentioning the note. Please don't select as default application. Use the same theme that basic and administration apps are using. Anyone have any doubts in this note?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Because we are making sure if you select this as default application, this is breaking your end user application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are
Yeah.
given
Yes, sir.
the note. You need to create two applications. One is expense, the other one is contacts.
Contact. Okay.
And you need to create the three modules. Expense module under expense application, masters module under expense application, contacts module under contact application. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And data set. Guys, do you know how to create auto-generated field, sequence field in the API?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
If you guys don't know, please create a text field and make it input field. Later on, we'll explain you how to do this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
sir.
And these are the fields in the data set. Title as a text field, type relation
Date.
to expense type, date field, description text area, attachment field,
Amount.
amount, fraction field,
Okay,
status, choose. We intentionally didn't mention the field type for these two.
Yeah, we got it, sir.
Okay, you please choose up data type. Anyway, I already taught in this session. Just now I said those types as well.
Sir, what is the type relation one to many to expense type?
Yes, type is a field which is the relation. You need to give one-to-many relation to expense type. In expense type is one. In expense type, one expense type will have many expenses.
Okay.
And we have expense type master. We only have one field, that is the name there.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I got it.
And contact,
Name.
name,
Text.
indexed, email, indexed, phone, text of size 20 of indexed. Date of birth, date field, gender, choose one,
Gender. Please.
gender pick list, note text area. Hope everyone understand about the data sets as well.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the pages. You need to create an expense management page. The application module was expense and expense. Name is the expense management. Code EXP MGMT.
Master page.
Why? Because if you didn't enter the code, it will give expense hyphen management, right? Which is a big
Yes, sir.
name. I shortened there. Master page, you need to select user. You need to select ease menu. This is the default page in this expense application. And the page have the session access.
Sir.
Okay,
The
sir.
page have the session access. Okay. Next,
Okay, sir.
components. Components inside this page was grid. The columns was ID, title, type, date, amount, and status. Okay. Then coming to the group actions, add button should be displayed only to employee role users. Hope everyone knows how to enable this for employee role users. You need to use hidden expression. If it is non-employee, it has to be hidden. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
pop-up for add, no edit option for expense, title as input text field and required, type as a drop-down field and required, date as a date field and required, amount as a text field, allow only numbers and required, description as text area and optional, attachment is attachment field and optional. Was it clear?
Yes, sir.
And in row actions, you need to add two buttons. One is for approve, the other one is for reject. These buttons are for only managers. View for all, show pop-up with all details. Done?
So total 3 row actions, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Everyone is clear about the expense management?
The components, what is grid?
List.
Table or form? Okay.
You are seeing the pagination and all, right? That is a grid, right?
Yes, sir.
Or table.
Yes.
That's why I'm mentioning the columns.
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone knows what is column and what is row.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Was it clear? Can we go to the next page?
Sir.
Can
Each
we
menu select the default application or not? Yes.
shall I go to the next page?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Expense type master is a single field master. The application is expense and the module is master. Page name is expense type. Code is expense type. Master page user. Ease menu. It is not the default page. That's why I didn't mention default. This is access based only to manager role. Which means that expense types can be modified and managed by only the manager. Done?
Yes, sir.
And components, you need to follow the best practice and do it in your style. But what we need add, list, edit, and display. You can use grid and write form or grid with a pop-up or grid with new page. You can follow anything. But this is for only manager. Was it clear?
Yes, sir.
And the final thing, the contact page. Application and module is contacts and contacts. Contacts is the application. Contacts is the module. Name is contacts. Code is contact management, MGMT. And master page is user. This is ease menu, default in this application and access based and only to employee role, which means that if manager logged in, he will directly goes to expense application. If employee logs in, he can see two applications. One is expense application, the other one is contacts application. Why? Because contacts application don't have access to manager. That's why he can directly go to expense application. And this is also follow the best practice, do in our style. What we need was add, list, edit, and display. Edit, delete, and display. But for this we need delete, but for expense type we don't need delete. This is the assignment. I think in this assignment we are covering whatever we taught in our previous sessions. Okay, and if we given the task beyond our previous sessions, please point out the requirement so that we'll remove or we'll modify the requirement. As far as everyone knows, this is the only one. For this will help.
Sir, we didn't get the login, credentials to the new ones.
Same as your old credentials. Yes.
Login credentials. Website also same, no, sir?
Yes, link and credentials, everything is same.
Okay.
But if
Thank
you
you.
logged in, that is the empty application, empty instance.
Okay.
cleared
We have
everything.
only basic and administration. These both applications will be available.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
But before completion of the session, please verify everyone's instances. If anyone facing the issue, please bring it to me so that I will fix it now itself.
It's fine, sir.
Guys, was the assignment okay? Tough? Easy?
Oh, yes, sir.
No. What I'm asking was, how was the assignment? Was it tough, easy, or how complex the assignment was?
In 1 to 10, I gave by 7 complexity.
Okay. What about others? But if you observe, we covered all the concepts, whatever we completed in this training.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
The thing was, we have given assignment in dataset creation, application creation, role creation, user creation, pick list creation, module, access, page, everything, right?
How many days you can submit the assignment?
We will come to that at the end.
Yes, sir.
Does anyone feel that you are unable to do this, or everyone will agree and they will do this? Yeah, I'm not getting any answers. Keeping quiet is not the answer.
Okay, sir.
Guys, please talk. Please unmute and talk. And in case you think this assignment is going to be complex for anyone, please do let us know. This is the final assignment, and this is the final session today. So after this, we will be reviewing all your assignments, and then we will come back to you. But in the meanwhile, if you think this is going to get complex, please come out, talk to Jagadeesh. From tomorrow, there will be nobody to help you. Only you can look at the videos. Okay.
Yes, if you feel
So-
something we have given is not taught in the previous sessions, please bring it to me. we'll change that requirement. If it
You
is
can write
covered
a
in your
mail to
previous
Priyanka.
sessions, yes.
You can write a mail to Priyanka, send a screenshot, and then that will be resolved. But
Okay.
make sure you try your best. Don't come out with silly issues. That won't help. But if you think some integration or something else is quite complex, you can come out with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so now you go ahead and tell us, is there anything that is complex here? Or is there anything not in an understandable format? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the doubts?
Ma'am, please tell me how to create the login set login.
Sorry,
Linking the employee and user login set.
yes.
Login page. How can we create login page?
No, login page is already there in our application, right? This is the login page.
Yes, sir. There is, sir. How to link, sir, to employee and to the user.
No, you need to just create a user.
Okay, sir.
This is where you need to create the roles. And this is where you need to create the users.
Screen is
we have
not
only
visible.
one user.
Your screen has not changed. We can
One
only
minute.
see the end user application document.
Now,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is the login. We'll use the same login for creating roles and users. If you log in with the credentials provided by you in the email, this is the roles page. See, this is the roles page. Actually, the title was missing. If you add title, that would be great. Okay, you need to add manager and employee. And you need to add, go to the user list page, and there you need to add user. Here you need to select the role as manager. He will report to the admin. Manager or Jagadeesh. Okay. You can use any password. See, my login was created. And
Can you go once again?
Once again, sir, please, sir.
see, there is no pages for this role. That's why nothing was displaying here. What I do is okay. Admin 310245. Yes, please. To give the title, we need to go to this page. This is Hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. See, the
Yeah.
Yes,
title
sir.
was hidden previously. Now I enabled that one. See, the title is appear now. The same thing happened in the user. If you can enable that, that would be great.
All right.
So
I think yes.
we know how to give role permission to page, but how to give permission to buttons, sir?
Buttons, you don't know about that?
No idea, sir.
Yes. If you don't know about that, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So one more thing.
Yes.
Display means view details, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, please go through it. If you feel anything complex, you please inform me. I will modify it. I think Ranjit, you are saying you feel complex. What are all the areas you are feeling complex? Tell me.
Group actions add only for employees. Huh?
Where? Yes, only employee will add. Do you know that or not?
Like a role, we have to give the access to him only.
No, in button. Okay. In builder. One minute. Okay, don't have that right. In user list we have it. Hello.
Screen got freeze, sir, actually.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think there is internet issue from my end. Okay. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't know this, how to do, we'll remove that as well.
Yes, yes.
But if someone knows that, please do. Please follow the earlier document, whatever we shown in the beginning. If you don't know, that is also fine, but we have our own ways for evaluating. We'll evaluate you. Do you want me to keep or not? Hello? Hello?
No idea, sir.
Yes.
Oh, do you, okay. Shall I remove that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please don't feel anything.
Yes, sir.
If you don't know, inform me, you don't know that. Next. Okay. Here, anyone have any concerns? Just now I show
No, sir.
how to create roles,
No.
and I created one user as well. And hope everyone knows how to create the pick list.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think hope everyone knows how to create the applications,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
modules,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
data sets,
Yes, sir.
and then coming to the page, I think everyone knows up to this,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and hope now this is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, row actions,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
expense master, type master.
Yes, sir.
Contacts.
Sir,
Yes.
for expense, we have to create new page, sir. Expense
No,
type master.
Yes, this is a new page.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Expense type is not this, sir.
Sorry. No, this is the heading. This is the name of the page.
Okay, sir.
So we need to create a 3
So we have,
One by one.
sir, application module of same, sir. Previously created
For which page?
expense type, sir.
See, first one is the application, second one is the module.
Oh, yes, sir. It is newly created, sir, or previously created one, sir?
So you already created, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
This one.
Okay, sir.
If everyone is okay, then we'll go to the next part. Shall we go to the next part, or still anyone have any issues?
So we need to create a completely 3 pages and 3 data sets, right?
Yes,
Okay, sir. It's there.
but it depends. Don't know in contacts. If you feel you are going to create a new page for add contact, that is your choice.
The content also new page, sir, and new model,
Yes,
new application, new
yes,
model.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Shall we go to the next part?
Yes, sir.
Then components we have created each label, sir. Each label, sir. Add list each one, sir. Labels.
Definitely for everything, that should be definitely a new component, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you guys tell me how much time do you require for this?
Monday, sir.
Sorry,
1.5 day. Monday.
1 to 1.5 days. Sir.
okay. Others?
1.5 days, sir.
Yeah, sir. 1.5
Okay.
day, 2 days.
1.5 days.
Okay. You need to submit, everyone need to submit this by Monday evening.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hope everyone knows about layouts, call spans.
Yes, sir.
Feel this is like a final project, or this is a real project, and work
Hello,
hard
sir.
and sorry,
Sir, submitting in the sense what you have to do, like only we have to just create it, right?
create it and send a mail that you completed it.
Okay, just
See,
note that we
whatever
have completed.
work you have done
Just
in your
message, sir.
logins, we will be able to see that. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Whatever
ma'am.
you have created, we can open your logins and see that. Only thing you guys have to do is finish everything and send a mail to Priyanka that you have completed the assignment. Okay,
Please
in
don't
case
hurry.
you are stuck with anything in the between, you just mail that this was a problem for you and you couldn't complete that. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Please don't hurry. Please don't hurry.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So,
You
Jagadeesh,
are
what is the
on
time
this
factor? When should they submit?
by Monday evening.
Monday. Okay, fine. So you have enough time, guys.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
can also try with multiple things. You can play around with the product.
Once again, your voice was not audible.
You can also try doing other things. If you're comfortable with the product, you can also try new things. Okay.
Okay.
Which means that you can
Okay.
create new application and you can define some new roles, and for that new role you can create some users, and you can create new pages with the new data sets as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So it
If
is
time-
based
if
on your
time permits.
imagination. If you have time, you
Yes.
can create multiple roles and multiple pages.
Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Plus, please remind that that won't affect your assignment.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so
One final thing,
Sir.
whenever you are submitting your assignment, the submission of your assignment is like you need to send a mail with the users, with user names and their roles. You need to send the credentials, whatever you created, so that we will log in using those credentials and we will see whether the application is working as per the requirement or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
We have asked you to create 6 users, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to give, you need to make a table or form. You need to mention the role, username, and you need to give the password.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that we'll log in and we'll verify, right, whether the application is working or not as per the given requirements.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay, and also if someone has missed any classes, you can create as much as you know. Okay, but don't just leave it like this. You can try as much as you know. Okay, you have all the videos, you can go back, refer, and try to do the same. But don't miss out in the fear of not knowing anything. Go back and refer the videos and at least try to do minimal things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, Jagdish, is there anything else?
I don't have anything. If they have anything, we are ready to answer.
Anybody have any questions, any concerns, any other clarifications you guys need?
Ma'am, after
Hi, sir.
Yes, yes,
If
please.
you want to add any styles to our application, then actually we are adding margins, paddings, and all the colors, but it is not updating in end user application, sir. How we can do it, sir?
That there is a theme editor. From there, you can do all those things. See, there is a library.
Yes, sir.
For the default theme, you can't modify anything. You need to follow the same. But for you can create a theme and you can follow those things. Once you hide or once you
Voice is not audible.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
this Zerocode package,
Your voice got killed somewhere. Yeah, please come back.
Jagdish, we lost you.
themes, you can modify those things. Sorry, I think my internet is not stable. 1 minute.
We cannot see your screen. Jagdish, I think you need to reshare the screen.
Yes, there is a library, but currently you don't have any user-defined themes. In user-defined themes, you can do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, in this we have some user-defined themes. See, here you can edit like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. In properties, we cannot change.
In properties, we can change the basic things, but if you need to fully customize your theme, you need to create a new theme and you need to write some CSS. In properties, you
Okay.
can give the class names and call spans.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we end the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka will share the requirements document you please follow and complete it by Monday evening. And once you completed, please send a mail with the user credentials and their roles, whatever you created, so that we will evaluate from the development kit and from the user end as well.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, after submitting that assignment, how much time it will take for that evaluation? Like that.
We will keep you posted. We will give you a call.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
It might take up to a week's time.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Ma'am.
And we will keep calling everyone and we'll inform you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So can I know how many of you are looking for a job in this group? Can you raise your hands?
Again tell me.
How many of you are looking for a job in this group?
And you feel Zerocode was something interested and you're looking for a job. Great.
Okay, so except for okay, Bharadwaj Naidu, Harish and Mahesh, all others are fine, right?
Actually, I raised, ma'am.
Okay,
It was not working.
it's not working. Okay, Harish, are you not looking for a job?
Mahesh as well.
Okay. You can unmute and talk, Harish and Mahesh. Okay, no issues. We can talk later. Okay, so we will give you a call in a couple of days and we will let you know the proceedings. But please ensure you submit all the assignments on time. And in case you have some unavoidable circumstances or some personal emergencies, you can drop us a mail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, is there anything else? Priyanka, you have anything?
So once again, can everyone
No.
please check your logins?
Yeah, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah, all good, sir. Yeah, I'm able to access it.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir. It's clear.
It's clear.
Okay, then we'll end the session. Okay. Bye for today. And
Have a good day, sir.
yes, thank you very much. And
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all the
Yes.
Thank you so much,
All the best.
madam, for this training.
thank you.
Yeah. All the best
Thank
for
you,
your
ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much.
You can write
Thank
a
you,
mail
ma'am.
to us if you have any concerns,
Thank you,
okay?
sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, ma'am will send the document now, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Priyanka will share the document.
Ma'am, with
The video
recording.
also, sir, regarding.
There is no
Yes,
recording
yes.
for this session. Jagadeesh, do you need recording for this session?
No, I think
Recording, ma'am.
Prashanti is already recording the session.
Yeah, correct. But do we want to send this recording as well? What do you
Yes,
say?
yes, I think we'll share the recording as well. Why?
Okay,
Because
sure.
we discussed about the
Priyanka.
requirements, right?
Get this recording also downloaded and share it to everybody.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Fine. Anything else?
Yeah, nothing, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Nothing, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, bye-bye. Priyanka, you can end the session.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.